Unlock Your Money Game, a crash course on financial literacy. Hey there, future millionaires. Let's take a leap into the world of personal finance. First up, we've got budgeting. Ever found yourself 3 weeks into the month and your wallet's already begging for mercy? That's where budgeting comes in. A budget is like a roadmap for your cash, income, expenses, and savings. Imagine you earn $2,000 a month. Set aside 50% for needs like rent and groceries, 30% for wants like that new game or those fancy sneakers, and 20% for savings or paying off debts. Next, let's chat about saving. Remember that concert you wanted to go to but couldn't because you were broke? Saving prevents that. It's not just about stashing cash under your mattress. Open a savings account. Even if you save just $5 a day, that's over $1,800 by the end of the year, enough for a decent vacation or to cover unexpected expenses. Let's talk investing now. Consider this. If you put $1,000 in a savings account with a 1% interest rate, you'd only have $1,010 by the end of the year. But if you invested that money and got a 5% return, you'd have $1,050. That's 40 extra bucks without lifting a finger. Sure, investing comes with risks, but with careful planning, it can be a game changer. Now, on to debt. It's like that one overbearing relative, annoying but a part of life. Let's say you have a $1,000 credit card balance with an 18% interest rate. If you only make minimum payments, it'll take you over 8 years to pay it off. But if you pay $100 a month, you'll be debt-free in just over a year. Remember, managing debt effectively is key. To stay on the positive side of money balance, here's a quick checklist for you. 1. Budget wisely. Know your income and where it's going. Remember the 50-30-20 rule. 2. Save regularly. A little can go a long way. Start with saving $5 a day and watch it grow. 3. Invest smartly. Don't let your money just sit idle. Make it work for you. 4. Manage your debt. Pay more than the minimum and avoid high interest rates whenever you can. So that's a quick tour of the finance world. From budgeting to investing, these are the building blocks of financial literacy. Remember, financial success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay tuned to our channel, and let's navigate this journey together. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button